I'm Leonardo Ponte, doctoral student at Yacambú University in Venezuela. In this moment, I wonder where is the mission of hurricanes for the environment and for the survival of human beings. Many people are thinking that hurricanes are negative, but that is not correct. Hurricanes cooperate in the following ways: 1. Climate regulation. 2. Soil fertility. 3. Ecosystem renewal.